Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. Now you probably clicked on this video because you're interested into investing into the stock market and you don't know where to start. Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you the simplest investing strategy that is almost guaranteed to make you some money in the near future. So stick through all the way to the end if you want to find out the easiest strategy by far to make money in the stock market. Because I know this year has been rough and a lot of people are diving inside the stock market to try to find out how to make some extra income, and you just don't know where to start. And you're seeing all of these different strategies that might be confusing you a little bit. And you don't know the difference in between an ETF, an active ETF, a SPAC company, an IPO, all of these startups company where other people are telling you you're guaranteed to make money, but you are just confused about their strategy. Well, this strategy I'm about to tell you, you're not gonna be confused at all. It's actually gonna make so much sense and you're gonna be able to get in, learn the market, and then you can start branching off and develop your own strategy on how you plan to invest into the stock market. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Weibu. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600. With those 2 free stocks, you could keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you could sell those 2 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Also, if you want to pick up some Bitcoin is going crazy right now. I left a link to Coinbase down in the description. If you want to pick up some Bitcoin, that is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. So both of those links are down in the description. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. First thing first, before you start investing, you need a brokerage account. I left a link down to Robinhood and Weibu in the description. The ones that I'm going to show you today is Robinhood. Robinhood is pretty much the simple version of investing. It's not a lot of technical analysis in here. You pretty much see a stock, you want it, you buy it or you sell it. It doesn't tell you anything more than that on Robinhood. You just pick a stock and you buy it, and that's all. So right now on Robinhood, I've been using this one. I have $47,000 in this account. Now the one that a lot of people has been migrating to and the one that I've been falling in love with is Weibu. Okay, so here we are on my Weibu account. Weibu is a lot more technical. It's a lot more advanced than Robinhood. So once you figure out exactly how to use Weibu, you can make a lot more smarter decisions based off the information that you get from your Weibu account. But the easiest way to start your account is to sign up for Weibu, clicking that link down in the description. Deposit $100, you'll get 2 free stocks. That is by far the easiest way to start your account, is by getting free stocks. So make sure you click those links down in the description and get those free stocks. That would jumpstart your investing career real fast, especially if you get like an Apple or a Tesla free stock at like $600, $700. You're gonna have a head start on a lot of your friends. Okay, so here's my strategy. A lot of people are out there telling you to do option plays. You can make a lot of money doing options. Yes, you can make a lot of money doing options, or they're telling you to invest into these penny stocks. Buy this company right now, it's at $1. It could go to $10 in the near future. They're telling you to invest into these IPOs, but all of these are more on, I would say, they're close to gambling. They are very, very risky. Option plays are very risky as gambling. Investing into new IPOs is risky as gambling. Investing into SPACs is risky and gambling, and penny stocks is risky and gambling. But the strategy I'm gonna tell you is not gambling at all. It's very, very low risk, and I consider it investing. All these other strategies is risky and gambling. I consider that gambling. This strategy right here is investing. And my definition of investing is investing into companies. Buy stocks, buy companies that you actually use. For example, if you stop at Starbucks every single morning, or you buy Coca-Cola and drink that for lunch every single day, or you drink 3, 4, 5 cans of Coke every single day, but you have no money invested into Coca-Cola or Starbucks, that means you're doing something wrong. Those are the companies that you should be investing into. I have a friend, he has over $2,000, $3,000 worth of Nikes, Jordans, and other shoe brands, right? But he has no money invested into Nike, and Nike actually pays a dividend. That means if he invests that same money into Nike, that means that they'll be sending him out a check every single week, and he can buy even more shoes from that. So if you're a believer in a company as much as Nike, to where you're already investing $3,000 into different shoes, you can actually invest some more change back into that company to where you could afford even more shoes in the future. So that is one of my best investing strategies, is invest into companies that you actually use. That is one way that I started my account when I only had a couple of dollars. I bought Netflix. I didn't have any cable for like 2, 3, 4 years, and all I was doing was using YouTube and watching Netflix. And then when I started investing, I thought about what company do I use the most, and that was Netflix. So here's Netflix right here. I started investing into Netflix all the way back when it was around $100, guys. So I found the company that I truly believed in, a company that I actually use, and I bought some of their stocks. And now Netflix is all the way up to $540. I could literally sell one share of Netflix, and that's gonna cover me for my subscription for Netflix over the next 3 years, just because I was investing into Netflix back when I was actually a consumer of their product and I believe in that company. So with that goes to say with all of these other companies, that you find a company that you truly use and that you truly believe in, no matter what it is. If you buy McDonald's every single day, invest into McDonald's. If you bank with Wells Fargo, you invest into Wells Fargo because they are using your money to grow their own business. So why not invest into their companies and get paid out dividends from them and from their capital going up? So you're gonna so other than just putting your savings in Wells Fargo, you're gonna be making more money from Wells Fargo that way. Or if you eat at Domino's every single day, let me tell you guys, if you invested into Domino's 5 years ago, you'll be a very, very, very rich man today. The same thing with gaming. If you have an Xbox, invest into Microsoft. If you got a PlayStation, invest into Sony. These are the things that you should be investing into, other than looking for quick, rich schemes by investing into all of these option plays, these brand new SPACs, these penny stocks. That is gambling, guys. Start off your investing career investing into companies that you actually know, that you actually follow. I have an Apple phone. I invest into Apple. If you invest into Apple, they had a stock split this year. That means I'm gonna make a bunch more money from Apple just from me investing into them a year ago than I am investing into them today. If you had every iPhone from the Apple 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 12, and you don't own one share of Apple, you're doing something wrong. That's what I mean, that invest into companies that you actually use. And last example, I know I've been giving you example after example. If you got a Tesla, if you own a Tesla, but you don't own any Tesla stock, say it with me, something's wrong, all right? So invest into companies that you actually use, no matter how dumb it is. That means if it's a company that if it's a product that you use, no matter, I don't care what it is, if it's a product that you use, you are very familiar with that product and the company and what they do. So that is what you need to invest into. I don't care how small the product is, I don't care how big it is. If you're a consumer of that product, invest into that company. So that is the strategy that I've been using to grow my Robinhood account all the way to $47,000, and the same thing with my Weibu account all the way up to $24,000. I've been investing, and after building my base and investing for a while, now I'm able to do these option plays and penny stocks and be more risky. But I built my base first. I learned a lot about the stock market, and then I could start making these risky plays. Yes, you might see people out there making $500, $600, $700 every single week, but 90% of traders are not successful. That is the stat. 90% of traders are not successful. Some people are very successful at it, but statistics shows that 90% of the people that trade are not successful at it at all. So the smartest thing that you can possibly do based off of statistics is invest your money. And my definition of investing is investing into companies that you actually use. So there we go, guys. I just wanted to get this out there so I don't discourage any new investors out there on being so confused on how to grow their account. I know a lot of new people are coming out there buying these penny stocks, buying these weed stocks, not really knowing these companies at all. They just see other people buying it, and then they buy these companies, and when that company go down, they sell it low. That means they're buying high and they're selling low, and they don't know what to do with it. Instead of Apple, when Apple goes up and we buy Apple and it dips down a little bit more, we buy more Apple because we know they're gonna come out with a new iPhone soon, and that stock is gonna go right back up. So invest into companies that you know. Don't be scared of the stock market, guys. You won't be that scared if you're actually investing into companies that you follow on the daily basis. But if you guys want to keep up with stocks that I buy, click the link down in the comment section. That will take you to my Patreon. I drop every time I buy and sell different stocks over there immediately inside of the Discord, and I do market analysis over there on different stocks that they ask me to do inside the Discord. So if you want to join the Patreon in the Discord, make sure you click that link down in the comment section. It'll take you straight to there. Sign up and be a part of the Dream Team. But other than that, guys, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.